Hare Krishna, welcome. Please join the sloka 14 of chapter 5.
न कर्तृत्वं न कर्माणि लोकस्य सृजति प्रभुः न कर्म फलसंयोगं स्वभावस्तु प्रवर्तते.
Please join us in the enjoying of the meanings and explanations given by Lord Krishna for each of these slokas. Now we are in the Sannyasa Yoga. Lord says so many points in this, and this point is a wonderful point. Just see what is that. The soul does not create activities, nor does it induce people to act, nor it creates the fruits of action. All those are done by the three modes of material nature only. So things happen as per our Purva Janma karmas and activities, as per the reactions, positive, negative, punya, pap. So this is the thing that is going on, but we blame the soul or the person. That is not correct. That is what Krishna says in this. Why are we people not talking about soul in our daily life? Because we do not at all think that we are the soul. That consciousness doesn't come to us. We think we are the body. So, you hit me, you cheated me, you scolded me, all me. So, I have done that, I have achieved. So, the body only we are identifying with. Even if we know that we are the soul, we will be irritating people by saying, Ramu's soul is going to market. My soul will do the job quickly today. So, we cannot talk like that. So, but in talking, if we don't do also, we have to keep in mind all the time that we are not the doers, or we are the body, and the three gunas are acting. All that thing, whatever we have been hearing in these slokas, we must know and believe it. Fully believing it will remove botheration from us. That's all. Then what will happen? Any insult or any hurt, physical or psychological, all those things will become a small thing for us, because we know they are going to the body, not the soul. We are the soul. We are not affected. When it comes to Krishna, Krishna knows he is the super soul. He knows that at all times. That's why he is least bothered about anything that may take place to him. Honor, dishonor, whatever he has been telling to avoid the dualities. So he is not bothered. He was not worried about the insults he received from Sisupala, 100 insults. He never lost his temper. So he never hates or loves. But when we are talking about activities, Madan, the MD of a company, he is talking to his wife. He is really irritated by the activities of his relatives. He says, all your relatives are creating by their activities problem for me. For people, there will be only one or two brother-in-laws. But for me, all your relatives are bother-in-laws. So how a lady will take this? Hare Krishna.